In this video, I will show you exactly how to fix the frustrating error where the Rockstar Games Launcher cannot be found while trying to open FiveM. This issue is quite common, but luckily, it is very simple to resolve if you follow these steps carefully. First, you need to locate your FiveM shortcut on your desktop. Right-click on that icon and select the option to open File Location. This will take you directly into the main FiveM folder. From here, look for the folder named FiveM Application Data and open it up. Inside, you should find a file named CitizenFX. This is a configuration file that tells the program where your game files are stored on your computer. Right-click this file and choose to open it with Notepad. You will see a line of text that points to a specific directory path. If this path is incorrect or missing, then FiveM will fail to launch because it cannot find the required Rockstar files. To fix this, you must find where Grand Theft Auto 5 is installed on your hard drive. Most people will find it under Steam Library or within the Rockstar Games folder in their program files. Copy the full folder path from your File Explorer and paste it into that Notepad file right after the equal sign. Save the document and close it. Now try launching FiveM again to see if it works. If you still have trouble, try running both the Rockstar Launcher and FiveM as an administrator to ensure they have the proper permissions.